What's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at the confirmed 2 spoilers for our February box. But first, let me remind you about our January giveaway. It's the James Charles Morphe collaboration palette. And the second prize is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. You could be one of these winners if you would like to get in my giveaway. All the rules and regulations are listed below the description. So let's get into that first spoiler. Today Joe came on and gave that second spoiler. He had already revealed the Touch and Soul product. The Touch and Soul product that we're going to have in our February box is a primer. It is by Touch and Soul. This primer is called the No Problem Primer. And it sells for $18 at Sephora. And it's good for all skin types, normal, oily, combination, dry, and sensitive skins. And it's a light silky primer that blurs the look of pores and wrinkles while enhancing the wear of makeup. It's a solution for pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, and wrinkles. It's a no problem primer, providing seamless coverage for concealing pores and uneven skin tone while creating an invisible layer that acts as a barrier to outside elements. It leaves your skin silky, velvety smooth, and fresh, and it completely preps for flawless makeup application. It's formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phthalates. It's a cruelty-free item. It's vegan and hypoallergenic. So I'm very excited about this product. He also says we're going to see more colored products in this box and more skincare. So I'm anxious to see what he means about that. Our first spoiler was the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is the #1 best-selling prestige mascara in the U.S. It's an intensely black volumizing mascara with an hourglass-shaped brush that separates coats and curls. Each lasts to voluptuous perfection. And this was inspired by the curves of a woman's body. The hourglass-shaped brush was designed with extra stiff bristles to maximize the performance of this carbon black collagen-fueled formula. 1 coat and lashes are full and defined. 2 coats and lashes are even more luscious, curled, and dramatic. 3 coats help you achieve the most intense black, multi-dimensional lashes possible. It's formulated without parabens, and it contains a film-forming polymer for smudge-proof all-day wear and unique peptides for the deepest intense black possible. Now, I did have a sample of this mascara once before. I don't really remember how it performed, so I'm really anxious to try this mascara out. I will have a BOXY Luxe March 2019 update later on this week. Thank everyone for watching. Please remember to share and subscribe to my channel. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. It would really help my channel out. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.